Hello friends, today we are going to discuss screenwriting or the script writing, which is a very important stage in the process of filmmaking. In a way, it can be said that screenwriting or preparing a script is the foundation of making a film. The script making itself takes various stages. It can be a plot, it is story, it is synopsis, it is treatment, and finally the script. But there are many seasoned writers who can straightway write the script from the given plot. Coming to the plot first, it is the central idea of the film or theme of the film described in 2-3 sentences or maybe up to a maximum of 1 page. For example, if we take a very popular scripture, Ramayana, and want to make a film on it, its plot will be something like this. Lord Rama, the Prince of Ayodhya, as per wish of his father, goes on exile for a period of 14 years. His wife Sita and brother Lakshman also insist to accompany him. At the fag end of the exile period of 14 years, Ravan, the king of Lanka, deceptively abducts Sita. Ram, with the help of Hanuman and his army, attacks Lanka, rescues Sita, and they happily return to their kingdom, Ayodhya, on completion of the exile period. There is a big moral in this story, that is, it is victory of good over the evil. Now we take a all-time favorite of mine and lakhs of other people, the blockbuster film Sholay. The plot of Sholay can be something like this, that a police officer takes revenge upon a dreaded dacoit who had killed his entire family. This will be the main plot or the central idea of the film. Besides the main plot, there can be subplots of romance, comedy, thrill, action, etc. interwoven around the main plot to make the script or the story very dynamic, so that at every time there is something going on and there is no dull moment in the film. Now we come to the story. The story is written in the past tense. It has full narrative or description of the events. It has dialogues. It has very clear description of the setup, the scenario, to make it very, very interesting. We very much remember even now how beautifully we used to listen to stories described by our mother and grandmother. Now we come to synopsis. Synopsis is just outline of the story, covering the main points or the events. It is written in third person and present tense. It has no dialogues in it and only the outline of the story. Maybe sometimes before writing this story or a long story or a novel, the writer may attempt a synopsis, or after writing the story, a synopsis may be attempted to describe the story briefly in points to anybody. Now we come to the treatment. Treatment is just like synopsis, but it has additional features in it. It can have some main dialogues added to it. It may also have some background of main characters described in it. As compared to synopsis, it has to be very interesting and appealing so far as the treatment is concerned. The main purpose of the treatment is its sellability, its appeal to the financiers and producers. The treatment is naturally longer than synopsis. The synopsis may go for 2-3 pages to maybe even 25-30 pages, whereas the treatment maybe 4-5 pages to up to 30-40 pages, depending upon the story. Now we come to the script. The script is a standard format, internationally accepted, in which the story is said. The format is such that it makes filmmaking easy, because there is a definite parameters so far as the margins, spaces and various components of the script are concerned. It may have a slug line, action, name of the character at a specific place, and it is written in A4 size sheet of paper in a prescribed type of font and font size. Now we come to the shooting script. Shooting script is prepared by the director by adding camera angles, camera movements, type of shot, etc. In the script. It's a document which is very handy with the director on the set, and also to the first AD, cameraman and other key persons on the set. The utility of plain script is just up to the pre-production stage for rehearsals and all that, but the shooting script is a document very handy with the director on the set, and it becomes a sort of main guideline for the director to carry on his work on the set. Thank you. Thank you very much.